Good start. When I say good start, the breadth, again, phenomenal. 1:5, 1:4. These are the kind of numbers which just make everybody very excited about the market breadth. The small cap index is obviously where all the excitement is. So it's a flat start in absolute terms, but directionally I think it's a good start. We are building on the gains gradually. There is a FNO expiry and markets tomorrow will be reacting to the outcome of the state election. So bear in mind there are two, one technical factor and second a news factor which is important, but markets are digesting that. So Zomato moving towards 120. Ashok Leyland post upgrades I think is looking rather decent. And Thomas Cook, well, that news about OFS, that is something which is having impact on the stock post. Indian hotels, they've increased their outlook in terms of how much money they will be getting by managing hotels. Now that's straight bottom line addition into their profitability of 200 crores more. That's like a huge number which they are now talking about. But the real star, hello sir, is IRDA. It was 50%, 87% yesterday, and today also it's just a phenomenal start for that one. So that's like, Aisha, real exciting factor in the market right now.
Yeah, and it doesn't seem like that phase on the stock is quite done. After an 87% move yesterday, today as well, it gaps up by about 13%. Of course, today you'll have another one hopefully join the bandwagon, and that's going to be Tata Technologies as well. But that in just a bit. PCBL, that continues to be in focus. The silicon, they've taken up a silicon tech tie-up with an Australian partner. There's Zomato, Man Infra, where marquee investors have checked in the block deal yesterday on Zomato, and Man Infra, the fundraise as well, 0.5% higher for both those stocks. Praj Industries, wherein they're targeting a 3x revenue by 2030. There's IHCL, wherein they've talked about a fee potential of 600 plus crore rupees versus 400 crore rupees that they'd earlier indicated by 2025. ICICI Securities, they've got the approval for delisting from both the exchanges BSE and NSE. I want to see what Metro and Nykaa are as well up to after that tie-up with Foot Locker. Those stocks were looking mighty excited in the pre-open rates itself. Metro, of course, seeing a bigger pop there, 5.5% higher for Metro Brands, and Nykaa as well gaps up by about almost 2%. Not much in terms of negative news flow, but yeah, I mean Tata Chemicals, GHCL. Remember, they've cut the prices of domestic soda ash for all grades, so maybe that's going to be one stock in focus. And RR Cable, wherein the income tax department is conducting search operations at some of the offices of the company. Those are a couple of names which are in focus right now. Also, Thomas Cook, the promoter, is looking to sell up to 8.5% stake via an offer for sale, and the floor price has been set at 125 rupees per share. And I think that block has happened, 5% lower for Thomas Cook India as we speak right now. Kunal, the first trades that you're looking to execute.
Well, in fact, at current levels, I think Hero MotoCorp is something which I would believe that would start to look to book profits over here. The stock has run up some 600 points in the last 1 to 2 weeks. So from the 3,350 mark where we initiated to buy at current levels of 3850, 3900 mark, good time to book out profits.
All right, Naresh, let's get in your take on the markets. Given the current levels that we're perched at, what do you make of the trade setup? And take us through your first trade.
So the trade setup is still bullish, looking at LIC Housing and the whole housing finance companies for a broad move. So LIC Housing